thanks for joining me in my kitchen. So today we are going to be making gazebo chicken. It's saucy, spicy and tender, and you guys are going to love it. But before we get into that, I just want to tell you a little bit about WorldRemit. Now WorldRemit wants you to celebrate your roots, celebrate home. They provide world-class, fast and reliable money transfer services, and you can easily send money to Pakistan. If it's over £170, it is completely fee-free. But don't worry, if it's less than that, for your first 3 transfers, you can just use code 3FREE. I'll put all the information in the description box below. Do have a read and check them out. Now let's get straight into the recipe. Now the ingredients that you'll need for this recipe, they are very simple. I've got here 1 chicken. That's cut into 8 pieces. I will wash this. I'm going to clean and wash this. I've got some salt, and you can add that to your taste. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. You can also use malt vinegar as well if you like. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. 1 tablespoon of chapati flour. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. 3 tablespoons of corn flour. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. 1 egg. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Half a cup of tomato sauce. And also we have about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. And a few garlic cloves, and I'm going to blitz that in a machine. And also for the garnish, we are going to be using some coriander, green and red peppers. I'm going to chop them up, and also some spring onions. Okay guys, so I'm just going to show you the first part of the method. What we're going to do is we're going to add these ingredients into our chicken. Now the chicken I've washed, and I've also put some slits in there so the spices and everything can go in there nicely. We're going to add in there the vinegar, fresh lemon juice, some salt, and you can adjust this to your taste, and it's always best to add less, and then if you need more you can add more, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now that's all you need to marinate the chicken. We're going to give that a mix, and then what we're going to do is pop that in the fridge, and then I'm going to cover and leave in the fridge for about an hour. If you want to leave it in there for a bit longer you can, but a minimum at least 1 hour. So let's just get the cling and cover this. Now for the second step, we're making the spicy and saucy sauce. So we're going to add in the oil. Now make sure your pot is preheated. We're going to cook this sauce on low heat, and then we're going to add in our minced garlic paste, black pepper, chili powder, chili flakes, salt to taste, and the tomato sauce. And then what we're going to do is just give this a stir, and I'm going to cook this for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to switch it off and just leave it aside. So we've been cooking this for about 2 minutes, and it should look like this. And then we're just going to switch that off. And now I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so the chicken has marinated nicely for just over an hour. And now what we're going to do is we are going to add the egg, corn flour, and the chapati flour to it. So let's just do that. So I've just got 1 beaten egg. And then add in the flours. So let's just mix that in first. The corn flour. So just coat the chicken pieces properly in the flour and the egg. And also what I've done is I've put some oil on preheat, and what we're going to do is we're going to dip these in there and we're going to deep fry them. Okay guys, so the oil is now ready, so we're just going to deep fry the chicken pieces. So I'm just going to put them in slowly, and we don't want to overcrowd the pan. I'm going to fry this on medium heat. We want to make sure that they cook through nicely inside. And also what I've done is I'm also heating up the sauce as well, so that's on low heat as well. So we're just warming up the sauce. It's on low heat. I've sliced up some peppers and I'm just going to put them in, and we're just going to soften them. So we're just going to mix that in. And then once the chicken is fried, I'm just going to drain off the excess oil, and then we're going to add that into our sauce. Chicken's now ready to take out, so I'm just going to drain the excess oil before we add the chicken to the sauce. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're almost ready guys. We are going to add the pieces into the sauce, and I'm going to just make sure that the chicken pieces are nicely coated with the tomato sauce. We're almost now ready to serve up as well, so let's just turn this over and make sure that's nicely coated in the sauce as well. And I'm telling you guys are going to absolutely love this. Right, okay, so we're now ready, so let's just get our plate. So there you go guys, we're going to serve this with some hand-cut chips and some salad. It's crispy, the chicken is so nice and moist on the inside and crispy on the outside. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up, and for more delicious recipes, do subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.